guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Today in the kitchen I'll be showing you how to make coconut fudge using a few simple ingredients. Here I have some evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, coconut milk, vanilla extract, butter, some grated coconut, and some sugar. Let's jump into this recipe. To a skillet I will add my sugar and all of the milks. We will mix the combine and we'll allow the sugar to dissolve. Once it dissolves, I'll show you all what's next. So now you want to reduce your heat to low to prevent the milks from burning, and you want to stir consistently until this thickens. Once it thickens, this is what it should be looking like. Next we will add our butter, give it a good stir and allow it to melt, and then we'll add our vanilla in here. We'll allow it to go a little bit more until it thickens just a tad bit, and then we will remove it from the stove. Once it starts to look like this and starts to cling to the edges of the skillet, we'll remove it from the heat, and you want to continue stirring. This is the part where you can add your coconut. If you want to add more coconut, you can do that as well. Add as much or as little as you like. You want to stir this until it changes from a shiny color to a matte color, and it will look super thick. Once it thickens to where you can no longer stir it, this is the part where we will add it to our the dish that we will set it in. We'll use a baking dish or anything of your choice, and this is what it looks like. Next, we will allow it to cool down completely before we start cutting it into, squares or whatever shapes you want to cut it in. I use this little pan to make sure that it was nice and smooth over top. And yeah, that's it. And here you have it, a delicious sweet treat. Coconut fudge. This was one of my childhood favorites. Until this day, I still enjoy it. It was so rich, delicious, and I love the texture. Now, if you want this to be harder, all you have to do is add more sugar. The more sugar you add, the harder it gets. But this was perfect for me. I truly enjoyed it, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.